Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to another adventure with your African tour guide. On this episode, tuko na mrembo. Welcome to the breathtaking beauty of Muranga County, where nature wonders awaits you. Join me on this unforgettable journey as we explore the captivating Sagana Baby Girl Canyon, a hidden gem nested in the heart of Muranga. This beauty is approximately 17 kilometers from Muranga town and around 7 kilometers from Sagana town using the B25 route. Comparing to the Grand Canyon, indeed this is not a small baby, but it's not as small as it sounds. In 1997 to 1998, the El Nino rains transformed this landscape, carving out the magnificent canyon over 5 hectares of land. But with nature's force came a responsibility to conserve and protect this unique ecosystem. As you journey through the canyon, keep your eyes peeled for the diverse arrays of birds that call this place home. From colorful birds to exclusive landscape views, every creature plays a vital role in this delicate ecosystem. Visiting this canyon is not just about experiencing its beauty, it's about understanding the importance of conservation. By supporting responsible tourism, you directly contribute to the preservation of this pristine environment. Local guides ensure the attraction remains a sanctuary for both nature and visitors. As the sun hits over the edges of the gullies, I invite you to come experience this tranquil beauty. Whether you are an avid nature enthusiast or simply seeking a moment of serenity, this hidden paradise offers unforgettable escape for everyone. Conservation efforts have been vital in preserving the natural beauty of this place. Through sustainable practices like planting native tree species, building gabions, creating accessible footpaths, and implementing sustainable land management practices such as reducing sand harvesting to aim at preserving this natural treasure for generations to come. Discover the magic of this art and experience the wonders of nature like never before. Plan your visit today and be a part of the ongoing conservation efforts. You can carry a tree or two and be a part of the preservation team for the future generations to enjoy this beautiful hidden gem. Thank you guys for staying until now. Sagana has been amazing. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.